How to create a savings account on Halifax. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a savings account on Halifax, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to basically create a savings account on Halifax, all you have to do is open the Halifax mobile banking application, or you can also go to halifax.co.uk, which is the official designated website. Now you can select open a bank account with us option because we don't have a bank account, so you can select that option there. And as you have done that, whether it is savings, current, or a checkings account, it doesn't really matter. Just wait for the app to load up. Are you an existing customer? No. Do you already have a current UK account? We don't have that, so we're going to select no and then tap and continue. On the next page, we have to fill in a couple of forms to sign up for a bank account. Remember that we are creating a new bank account, not just mobile or online banking, but the new bank account itself. So you can see your first name, your middle name, your last name. You can enter the title, your UK number, your country, your date of birth, tap and continue, and then you'll be able to create your savings account in Halifax. This way you'll be able to create savings account on Halifax. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.